Hello, good morning students. Myself Veena, Assistant Professor, Government Science College, Bangalore. So in this class, let us study about numerical differentiation. Differentiation. Okay. So what do you mean by numerical differentiation? The process of computing the value of the derivative dy by dx for some particular value of x from the given data when the actual form of the function is not known is called numerical differentiation. So find out the value of dy by dx when the actual function is not known. It is called numerical differentiation. When the arguments are equally spaced, we use Newton's Gregory method. Here also, when the value is nearer to the beginning of the table, we use Newton's Gregory forward interpolation, and when the value is nearer to the end of the table, Newton's Gregory backward interpolation is used. When unequal intervals is there, Newton's divided difference formula is used. Okay, so let us derive Newton's forward interpolation formula. Derivatives using Newton's forward interpolation formula. Forward interpolation formula. Now consider Newton's Gregory forward interpolation formula is y is equal to y naught. You have already studied this one. N delta y naught plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y naught n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial delta cube y naught and so on. Okay, so product of these two is given by n square minus n here, and product of these three is n cube plus three n square plus 2n. See, it is minus 3n square plus 2n, right? So and so on. Now consider this as equation 1. Okay, where p is equal to x minus x naught by h, we know. Now this is called as equation 2. Now differentiating equation 1 with respect to p. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to p, dy by dp is equal to, with respect to first term is 0, no, not p, so with respect to n, okay, dy by dn is equal to delta y naught, here also n, if you take n, p if you take, it is denoted as p. Now delta y naught, here differentiation of n square minus n is 2n minus 1 by 2 delta square y naught, and this is 3n square plus minus 6n plus 2 by 6 delta cube y naught. Call this as 3. Okay, now differentiating equation 2 with respect to differentiate equation 2 with respect to x, we get dn by dx is equal to 1 by h. Therefore, now Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dp into dp by dx. dy by dp is dn. dy by dn is, what is dn by dx? 1 by h into dy by dn is delta y naught plus 2n minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y naught 3n square minus 6n plus 2 by 3 factorial delta cube y naught and so on. When x equals to x naught implies that p equals to 0. So put p equals to 0 in this equation 5. We get dy by dx is equal to 1 by h delta y naught minus 1 by 2 delta square y naught plus 1 by 3 delta cube y naught minus 1 by 4 delta raised to 4 y naught and so on. This is called as equation 6. Okay. So again differentiate 5 with respect to n and simplification we get delta square by delta x square is equal to 1 by h square delta square y naught minus delta cube y naught plus 11 by 12 delta raised to 4 y naught and so on. This is the Newton's Gregory forward interpolation formula for the derivatives. Okay. Next, solve one example. Similarly, if you go for the backward difference formula, we will get the formula and derive in the same way. We will get dy by dx dy by dx is equal to 1 by h nebula yn plus nebula square yn by 2 plus 1 by 3 nebula cube yn plus 1 by 4 nebula raised to 4 yn and so on. And delta square y by delta x square is equal to 1 by h square nebula square yn plus nebula cube yn plus 1 by 11 by 12 nebula raised to 4 yn and so on. This is the backward interpolation formula of the derivatives. Let us solve some examples. The first one, find dy by dx and d square y by dx square at x equals to 0 from the following table. X and y are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 8, 15, 7, 6, 2. For this, we have to first construct the difference table. Okay, x, y, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X value, y values are 4, 8, 15, 7, 6, 2. First difference is given by delta y is equal to 4, 7, minus 8, minus 1, minus 4. And second difference equal to 3 minus 15, 7 minus 3. Next, third difference is given by minus 18 plus 22 minus 11 plus 22 and minus 10, and delta raised to 4y is given by 40 minus 32, and fifth difference is given by minus 72. This is a difference table. Okay, so now we have dy by dx at x equals to 0 is given by, that is x equal to 0 means x equal to x naught, 1 by h delta y naught minus 1 by 2 delta square y naught plus 1 by 3 delta cube y naught minus 1 by 4 delta raised to 4 y naught plus 1 by 5 delta raised to 5 y naught minus 1 by 6 delta raised to 6 y naught. This is the formula. So that is equal to h is nothing but 1. Delta y naught is, you have to take this value, 4 minus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into minus 18 minus 1 by 4 into 40 plus 1 by 5 into minus 72. So that is equal to 4 minus 3 by 2 minus 6 minus 10 minus 72 by 5, that is after simplification, that is equal to minus 279 by 10 or is equal to minus 27.9. Okay, similarly delta square y by delta x square at x equals to 0 is equal to 1 by h square delta square y naught minus delta cube y naught plus 11 by 12 delta raised to 4 y naught minus 5 by 6 delta raised to 5 y naught plus 137 by 180 delta raised to 6 y naught, or that is equal to 1, because h value is 1. Delta square y naught is 3 minus 18 plus 11 by 12 into 40 minus 5 by 6 into 72 minus 72. So that is equal to 3 minus of minus 18 is plus 18 plus 110 by 3 plus 60. So that is equal to 353 by 3, that is 117.67. This is the value. Similarly, we can find out for backward interpolation also. Okay, thank you.